Hi, this is Dansoy. Welcome back to my kitchen. Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna make a really quick strawberry blueberry smoothie with almond milk. So we have California strawberries, blueberries. We have an 8-ounce container of almond vanilla milk that's sweetened. And with these strawberries, you're gonna need about 6 ounces. So I have like a 6-ounce cup. So we're using fresh strawberries, and like I said, that's a 6-ounce cup. And we're just gonna put it all into the blender. And this is only like a couple minute smoothie recipe. We're not gonna use ice. If you want to use ice, you can. But even with this recipe, you can basically tailor it to your needs. But with me, I'm just gonna use the fresh strawberries, a couple blueberries, and the almond milk. Be back. So we have the strawberries in there. We're just gonna take some blueberries and just randomly throw some in. Basically, there's like no recipe for the blueberries. You can just put in as much as you want. So we have like the strawberries and blueberries in there. So basically, you probably can make this in like a couple minutes, 2-3 minutes. So we got the 8 ounces of almond milk. We're just gonna pour that in the blender. If you want, you could add a little bit more. This is probably only going to make like 1 glass, but you can tailor it all to your likes, like I said. So now we're going to hit smoothie. So basically we're done. There's a smoothie there. Like I said, you could add more so you can have stuff for other members of your family. But there it is right now. Now we'll just put it in a glass and we're all set. So we're basically all set. We're just gonna pour that into the glass. You see, it's pretty thick. But you could add more, but that's basically the strawberry blueberry almond milk smoothie. Thanks for visiting my channel. Thanks for spending time with me. Hit the bell icon so you can get updates, and subscribe if you're a new person. God bless. Peace out. Dansoy.